Hey everybody, thanks for coming back and checking out our video. I'm Marty with Wheels with Marty, and today we got another new product to me for the Tesla. A lot of Tesla products coming in, and it's a roof rack for the Model Y. Right there it is. From EVBASE. Links to the product will be in the description below, as well as a coupon code that can save you some money. This roof rack is the same one it looks like that you would get from Tesla, which is about $500. At EVBASE it's only $250. So, all right guys, let's go ahead and install. Alright, so here I got the back one on already, and you can see how it just fits in there nice and flush, and it goes, this is the back one, so it's kind of what it looks like. So we're going to show you how to install the front one now. What a lot of people don't realize is right here on the glass, right here, I don't know if that's going to come up on the camera or not. I'll insert a picture, but there's little marks that show you where to hook the clips into, and so all you'll do is you'll get underneath here, and you want to go underneath the weather stripping, not the glass. That was a mistake I was making, so I was trying to hook it underneath there, but you want to go underneath this weather stripping right here, and then you want to mount it, just slide it in there. So I'll show you how to do that. Now I know this is going to be kind of like a weird angle because the tripod just wouldn't, I couldn't get it to angle down right. So anyway, you want to clean off the paint right here and actually give you these little strips. It looks like protective stripping, kind of like, not really PPF I would say, but something similar. And you just want to put that right there on your paint, so if you ever take them off, you can peel these off and not have any markings on your paint right here. So you just rub that on there, and then your best thing to do is to take your little tool they give you, and you want to put it underneath that weather stripping like that right there. Pull it up. Now there's a little mark, there's a little space in there. You take these and you just want to hook it in and pull up. Don't really pull up, but you know what I mean. So put it in here at like an angle like that, and you'll feel it. Just keep jiggling it, and you'll eventually get it in there just like that. And see, now it's in there. That's how you put that on. And then these go on over top of that, and each one is labeled, so it shows you the right side to put it on. So you just take that, slide that in there like that, and then you got your little wing nut here, which goes on top of that. So I'll show you how to put this on in a minute, but I'm gonna put the bar, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and then I'll put the bar on, and we'll be back. Alright, so all you do, I already put the one on the other side in there, so all you're going to do is just like literally use that hole right there. You just want to get that in there just like so. Keep wiggling it around. Kind of difficult to do this with one hand, but there you go. Just like that. And then you take this little nut here and just going to screw it on. Again, difficult to do this stuff with one hand. There we go. All right. And just like this, kind of zip it down there a little bit faster. Eventually you run out of thread, and you got to use that plastic thing they gave you because it has a wrench on it for this. Like that. So threads, and then you just use this thing. It's got these little grooves in it there, and just tighten it down. Easy peasy. It has a built-in lock too, like anti-theft. Ooh, if I can get this in there. before I get there. Just kind of give it a good shake so it ain't going nowhere. Now, pro tip, don't have this facing, these little wings, don't have them facing you because you can't get the cap over that. I made that mistake with the one back there in the corner and like messed up a little bit, but don't have them flat like sideways like this, kind of like that. And you just put the cap on over that. All right, so you got it on there. So this is, remember, don't have this facing out, have it facing sideways. Pro tip. And these little hooks right here, you want these to go on the bottom and the top. Just, this part's a little difficult, but not really. There you go. Just like that. Just snaps on. And there is the roof rack. Looks just like, it's the same thing the Tesla ones have, but there you go. There's your roof rack for a Model 3 Highland. Right there. That's what she looks like. There it goes. That's what it looks like. Put you some kayaks on there or whatever you want if you're traveling. So there they are. Now they do go in a certain order though. So like the ones have the wider one goes in the front and it's also thicker right here. And the back one it's not as wide and it's thinner right there. So it only go on one way. If you try to put it up there, you'll realize you got it on wrong. There it is. Alright, so that was the video for the roof rack. Super easy, super fast, so you can install it pretty quick. And it doesn't take long at all. I did it with one hand essentially because I was holding the camera with the other one. But if you're interested, links will be below and all that. Fast, easy. It works. So anyway, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, see y'all. Bye.